What would you do in the first 2 years of your second term?
Do more work. More challenges are there. The world won't wait for anybody. You have to continue to reset and rethink, challenge the intellectual curiosity of you as a government. The philosophy I came with in governance is believing that the hallmark of a transformative leader is the ability to take decisions, do what you do at the time it ought to be done on behalf of the people. If you miss that curve, you're not on the path to success. And that's what I believe. First time, took hard decisions regardless of pain. Stop reading newspapers and commentary because I knew I was going to get a big pushback, and I did. I was sitting on a hot burner. But we made the curve. Today there's a very bright light at the end of the tunnel. The economy is stable, the naira is stable, predictable. Planners can do reasonable budget. They can plan their lives well. The children are in school. The vulnerables are being helped. We have a direct transfer to very poor households. Right now going on, are able to support education for those students ordinarily who stay out of school because their parents cannot afford school fees. They are now, I'm even giving them allowances and upkeeps for their school.
Fantastic.